the Philippines plans to acquire 12 MUH-1 Marineon helicopters from South Korea. These helicopters are expected to be a game-changer in enhancing the country's military capabilities, particularly in supporting naval operations and troop transportation. The MUH-1 Marineon helicopter offers superior capabilities as both an armed helicopter and a troop transporter. This acquisition is part of the medium-lift helicopter acquisition project under Horizon 3, aimed at strengthening the Philippine Navy's helicopter fleet. These helicopters will be crucial for deployment on Philippine landing platform docks, addressing the urgent need for new helicopters in the fleet. This offer from South Korea not only marks a significant step in celebrating the close bilateral relations between the Philippines and South Korea but also opens opportunities for further collaboration in defense and security efforts in the region. The MUH-1 Marineon stands out with its impressive combination of elegance and formidable strength. Built to meet leading military standards, this helicopter is equipped with advanced technology, including state-of-the-art navigation systems, sensitive sensors, and deadly weapon systems. These features enhance operational effectiveness and ensure the safety of military personnel on duty. To commemorate this cooperation, South Korea's defense industry leaders showcased a range of their latest products, highlighting advancements in defense technology, from warships to missile systems. Each product demonstrated excellence, offering the Philippines access to the most advanced defense and security technology. The two nations have long worked together in facing global challenges and changes, strengthening their bonds through close cooperation and understanding. South Korea reaffirms itself as a reliable partner in supporting the modernization of the armed forces of the Philippines. This significant step strengthens the sovereignty and security of the Philippines, laying a firmer foundation for a safer and stronger future for both nations. The plan to acquire 12 MUH-1 Marineon helicopters represents more than just a transactional exchange of military hardware. It signifies a deepening of the long-standing defense partnership between South Korea and the Philippines, rooted in mutual trust and shared strategic interests. For decades, the two nations have stood shoulder to shoulder in the face of global challenges, forging bonds of friendship and cooperation that have withstood the test of time. Moreover, the collaboration between South Korea and the Philippines extends beyond military hardware. It encompasses joint training exercises, information sharing, and capacity-building initiatives aimed at enhancing the Philippines' defense capabilities and promoting regional security cooperation. Through these efforts, both nations are laying the groundwork for a safer and more prosperous future, where the principles of sovereignty, peace, and prosperity reign supreme. As the MUH-1 Marineon integrates into the Philippines' defense arsenal, it serves as a testament to the enduring bonds between South Korea and the Philippines and their shared commitment to building a secure and resilient future. Each rotor blade slicing through the air heralds a new chapter in defense cooperation between these two nations, united in purpose and resolve. But the offer of the MUH-1 Marineon represents more than just a transactional exchange of military hardware. It signifies a deepening of the long-standing defense partnership between South Korea and the Philippines, rooted in mutual trust and shared strategic interests. For decades, the two nations have stood shoulder to shoulder in the face of global challenges, forging bonds of friendship and cooperation that have withstood the test of time. As the Philippines embarks on its journey towards modernizing its armed forces, South Korea has emerged as a steadfast ally, offering not only cutting-edge technology but also invaluable expertise and support. The offer of the MUH-1 Marineon is a tangible manifestation of this commitment, symbolizing South Korea's unwavering dedication to the security and stability of the Philippines and the broader region.